I only get 4 minutes to tell you why I started talking to ChatGPT every day and why you need to start talking to ChatGPT every single day. So this is only from a money perspective. If you don't have a lot of people who have money around you and you don't have anybody to talk about business ideas or things going on in the world that could produce you money, then you need to start talking to ChatGPT every day. There was actually a time where I was, as an AI developer, I was conversating with ChatGPT on business ideas, mostly software. So look at my time, mostly software ideas to trying to understand what can make money. Right? I came up with so many different solutions. I understood the back end of how to create softwares, and from that, I just talk to ChatGPT every single day, and that's talking about their OpenAI voice model. If you go to ChatGPT and you click the little voice model thing, and basically every single day, that is what. So right here, this right here, every single day, I was talking to this and giving it business ideas and telling it what it thinks and how to help me, understand where I can really profit from this, where I can leverage and upgrade things within that software. So, and ever since I've been doing that, it's been a game changer because most of the time you wish you could have people who think like you, who want to produce money like you, or talk about the topics that you want to talk about. As I'm in a different space, of course, everybody has their own space, right? So if you don't have enough people, like my brother, he makes a lot of AI videos and makes money from that, but he has nobody to talk to about it. So it's like the only thing you can do is really talk to AI. And when you start talking to AI, it'll give you the best ideas, the best ways to go about it. So I got 2 minutes and 13 left. The best way about it. So that in itself is a blessing to have, right? And I want you to think like this. Think about ways to make money that are evergreen. For example, YouTube is the evergreen way to make money, and as well get clients from that. One video can be produced and watched over and over again by anybody who wants your service, right? Compared to maybe sending one email to someone or one SMS to someone, one DM to somebody. So when you really think about it, content is the next move. But staying in a place where or always communicating with somebody who's in your space who likes to talk about money, it will always leverage your mind. And if you don't have that, just talk to AI. And I know it's weird, but it is that phase we're getting to if you want to upgrade, right? If you want to keep moving if you want to keep moving and shifting to make money, you have to understand the topics. You have to understand the best SEO. You have to understand what what's being leveraged in the market to make money, and people who are watching YouTube, I'm assuming that you want to be more in the online space, and that's where you should stay in. Learn AI automation, learn how to make content, learn, I don't know, different APIs, maybe learn how to use these AI generated softwares and use them for other brands. There's so many different ways you can make money, and that's what you gotta start talking to ChatGPT. If you do not have anybody to talk to about these ways to make money, talk to ChatGPT. I guarantee it may be weird, but it actually gives you good advice. It gives you good leverage to go and build something that you never thought of. It gives you picks your brain, helps you understand. It'll be your helping hand in helping you get money, and that's facts. Nobody thinks of it that way. Talk to ChatGPT. I got 8 seconds. Talk to ChatGPT and start making money and take the ideas that it gives you. Damn. See, sadly, that's it. But follow and hopefully catch you on the next one.